everyone, it's Nika, and today I'm doing something kind of different. I usually open up mail with you guys and show you guys my photo cards I buy for my collection. I haven't done one in a while, so I wanted to kind of try something new and do a reaction video for the Thunderous MV for Stray Kids No Easy Comeback. There's 14 songs. I'm so excited, but this is the title track, so let's go ahead. I'm so excited every time Stray Kids drops new music. It's always an experience, and I really want to see what they have prepared for us, what kind of messages they want to say or express in their songs, and of course see like the outfits, the choreo, all the details that Stray Kids puts into their music videos and songs for us. I'm super excited, and yeah, I brought a Wolf Chan and a light stick for us to just kind of like enjoy the music video and geek out. I'll try not to make embarrassing like noises or sounds, but I mean, Chan's gonna be in there, so it's gonna come out. So I'm super sorry, but yeah, I hope you guys can share your guys' favorite parts with me, and that'll be really fun to share together as well. So let's go ahead and check out the MV now. I'm super excited. I've never done this before, so I don't know like what's the right way, but I'm going to try to make it like as painless as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play it. Oh my gosh, wait, okay, wait, you guys. Okay, I have to start over because I literally pressed play and then I wasn't ready, and so I heard it and I freaked out, so I really have to start it over because I could not absorb it. I was so distracted pressing play, like it just went. So I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try not to be like embarrassing. We'll see, because oh my gosh, I am so excited. I hope you guys are excited with me. I cannot. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. I stopped here with the cool animations and stuff, like the Soul Eater vibes. Oh, Jason! Oh, he's black eye. Oh no. Honey, hi! Oh, so cute. I see Chan. There's so much Vinny, I love it. Good day. Henny. Sumin vocals, thank you. So cute. Oh my god, there's Chan. There's Chan. Oh no, Chan. Oh wow. That's amazing. Oh, Centerlino, yes. This is from the teaser. I watched it so many times. Not sorry, I'm dirty. Wow, that was so many transitions in so many seconds. Okay, Jungin smirk. Sorry, I'm dirty. Oh my gosh, I feel like super hot. What is this? These lyrics are so taunting. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Chan legs. Oh, Vincent! So cute. Oh, Felix, that hair. Well, Jungin has a black eye too. This Seungmin. He knows what he's doing. Literally, he's so cute. That wave! The scenes are so cool, literally, like the backgrounds are insane. I'm so immersed in it, like. The storyline. I don't even know what's happening. Centerlino! I love the amount of Lino. Thank you. Oh my. Han Felix sandwich. Han just does that so good. So good. Oh, fancy hat. The birds are back. These lyrics, stay noisy. Oh my gosh. I miss them so much. Felix Ending Fairy. Yeah, that's pretty Stray Kids. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so good. I'm so excited. Oh my god, that was just one song. I feel like I missed so much. I have to like go back and like see. I'm sure there was like a billion Easter eggs that I missed, and oh my god, I was just like so focused on like the background, and I was just trying to like look at all the outfits, but the transitions, there were so many outfit changes and like scenes, and oh my gosh, there were so many. And I didn't even look at like all the members too, like everybody was a part of the scene but still not. Oh my god. Okay, I like lost my stuff. I wonder what the storyline is. Like, I'm always so slow. Chance doing the graffiti. These outfits are so cute. I love it. Their acting is so good too. I love it. Literal car noises. Oh my god, this part's coming up. This part. Oh my god, I cannot handle that at full force. At concert, like, that's gonna make me shake. It's probably my favorite part right here. It's just like, all the dancing looks so cool. Centerlino. Dirty. I watched that part so many times. Oh. Jonghyun's smirk never fails. So smooth. So soft, but like it goes so hard right here with Honey. These duos, man, they know us. They know us. I feel actually like super hot. Like, I'm exhausted. This part is so good. I need to see each individual member do this. That wave. That part like rattles my brain. I love seeing all the members. Like, it feels really nice to see all of them be a part of the story. The stage presence, like, all of it's just like making me super excited. Such a circus. Felix, you're so good. Like, literally, it feels so fun. I cannot believe that Stray Kids are back. Like, they're here and they have all their songs out. I have to listen to all of them. Like, that's probably what I'll be doing all day today, but I need a break. Like, I need a drink. Yeah, I'm like super excited for all the other songs. It's like I am so hyped to listen to like the sad songs. Like, I'm hyped to be sad with Stray Kids. But yeah, they always have like really great messages and motivation in their songs. Like, they always just like are able to push me in the right way or deliver the right message that I need to hear to just help me, you know. And I'm sure like a lot of you guys can relate to that. So I hope you guys share your thoughts on the music and all the really cool stages. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys had a decent time here. I don't know what the heck I said before, so I'm gonna look at it. And thank you guys. I hope to see you guys for future videos with the photo cards on my collection and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye!